Hey guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Come back with Era. Sorry guys, I'm late to take a video because I don't know guys. I just took a break, but yeah, and then I forget to take video. So now I will take a video right now. And yeah, now guys, now I will cutting my nails, but I forget take a video guys, so I take a video now. And before I continue my video, I will apply my night cream. Yeah, just night cream guys, because I'm afraid to use skincare and other, and I also search the skincare, the good skincare guys, because yeah, my skin was what is I don't know guys, for negative or yeah, because my my face now like a breakout. Yeah, this is so breakout if I use skincare. So I was stop make skincare because because my skin was sensitive now, so I can doing skincare, fake skincare guys, even talk mercury. I'm so afraid using mercury guys, because this is so dangerous. And yeah, no, I just have done because I just apply the night cream guys, because I have a serum guys, but I didn't wanna make this room because yeah, I don't know guys, I just feel lazy. Oh yeah guys, now I will apply my lip balm, and I will sleep even my skincare was dry guys, because I don't know when my skincare was stuck to my pillow. And then now I will use this lip balm Okay, maybe I will. Why? Why I use? Nah. Yeah, because now I have my lips often so dry. I often make this using this lip balm because this balm so yeah. Okay guys, maybe that's all my lip balm. Maybe this lip balm from Viva guys. This is a brand of Viva guys. Oh, this is so a lot of money guys. Yeah, maybe I just buy this maybe 6 months ago. Until now, they just still don't be finished. And I'm so happy guys because this can double guys. And yeah, so I can yeah, I'm economical using like this. Oh my god guys, maybe this lip balm was so a red color. And yeah, because my phone was my battery was finished. Now I will charge my phone. And yeah, I also reply message from my friend. I just question where do you will college? And you know, my friend have a sister, and yeah, this sister will will study at here at Sunan Doi, but I also ask for my friend to my friend, and yeah, my friend answer I don't know, but yeah, this was and I also recommended for him to study at Sunan Doi guys. Yeah, because this is my friend forever guys. And you know guys, I invite my friend to join to at Senandoi Institute, but he still doesn't wanna study at Senandoi, guys, and I don't know what the reason. But I also still invite him to join to with me at Senandoi, and yeah, because I also told him to study at the yeah some campus, but she didn't wanna join it him, and yeah, and I also invite him to join as Nandui Institute, but I don't know, she don't reply my message, and I will waiting his chat, and yeah, I hope she has I hope she wanna join with me to Senandoi Institute, guys, because yeah, this is my friend, my bestie, guys. But yeah, you know, if I have a friend and a frequency, and yeah, we can together, guys, because yeah, I don't know, guys, maybe this is also what is stuck the reading list. Oh my side, oh, that's tiny. mm, yeah, I just wanna do together with him, because yeah, this is just only him understand for me, guys. And yeah, because we are frequency with him, okay guys, don't watching my video, guys, because I'm so shy uh you will watch my video, because yeah, my English so bad, so bad, guys, and I'm shy. You will watch me, because you can understand about me. Yeah, if you follow me or subscribe my video, and yeah, like my video, I feel so happy, guys, but you didn't subscribe me and don't like my video, and yeah, so you shouldn't watch my video because I'm sorry, guys. And yeah, okay guys, maybe that's all to my video right now this night. And yeah, thank you for your watching my video, and don't forget to be subscribed and support me, like a subscribe, comment, like, and share my channel, right? Because yeah, I also wanna being a YouTuber, guys. And yeah, I hope I can. Bye bye.